Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about TeamBuilder Error Code 119. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to upload images while editing or creating a team in TeamBuilder. According to our research, the error is likely caused by issues with the image file names or temporary problems with the server. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure the file names of the images are completely different. If you only change the color and save the file without using Save As, the site may treat it as a duplicate. So rename the file and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check your image file names for any flagged terms. The site may reject uploads with certain words. For example, if your file was named something like blood splatter, rename it to something safer like ink splatter. Then try uploading again and check for the error. If the error still continues, then it might be a temporary server issue. So wait for some time and try again. You can also visit help.ea.com/en/server status to check if the EA service is down. At last, if the error persists for too long, then you should contact EA support for further help. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.